Hello friends, today I will share with you how to face challenges and grow stronger. First, embrace obstacles. In life, you will face many challenges. Sometimes you will feel scared, frustrated or tired. But these challenges make you stronger and these difficult times are just a pause in your journey. If you allow fear or problems to get in your way, you will keep wondering what ifs. For example, if you had done this, then this would have happened. If you had done that, then you would have become that. If you desire something, courageously move ahead. Think of obstacles as an opportunity for growth and learning. Facing challenges builds our strength and enhances our understanding. Every obstacle teaches us something new. When we look at challenges from a different perspective, we feel braver and more determined to move forward. Remember, it's not about how many times we stumble, but how we rise each time. Sometimes things don't go as planned. It's okay to be disappointed, but we should not think too much about it. Instead, we can try again, learn from it, and get through the difficult times. Believing in yourself is important when things get tough. Trusting your skills, intuitions, and inner strength can help you overcome obstacles. When you trust yourself, you are more likely to take risks, handle tough times, and reach your goals. When you go through difficult times, don't let fear or doubt take over. Be brave and keep moving forward. Believe in yourself and chase your dreams with all your strength. You have the power to conquer any challenge and achieve remarkable accomplishments. Keep your confidence, keep moving forward, and never lose hope. Second, learn and grow. When you face problems and don't have any immediate solution, don't worry too much. Problems are a part of life. They push you out of your comfort zone and spark creativity. Embrace challenges as they encourage you to think of new ideas and achieve great things. Someone has said a wonderful thing. Even a horse running in a race does not know what it is to win. He runs only because his master pushes him. If ever you face difficulties in your life, remember that our master, God, is challenging us because he wants us to win. Just like a horse is pushed to run faster and perform better, our struggles and difficulties are meant to make us stronger and bring out our best. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow, become better, and get closer to our goals. So, when you face difficulties, consider them God's way to prepare you for victory. Accept the challenges, keep moving forward, and trust that these experiences are leading you to success. Third, trust your path. You are not the only one who has problems. Everyone on this earth faces difficulties. There is no problem without a solution. Remember, no matter how high the destination is, the path is always under your feet. Every step you take takes you closer to your goal. Every challenge you face is a part of the journey and an opportunity to become stronger. Be determined and keep moving forward. Trust that a solution will be found and your effort will lead you to success. Believe in yourself and the journey, knowing that every problem has an answer and every step takes you closer to your dreams. Number 4, trust the process. When all of us face problems, one after the other, then somewhere we express our anger to God and ask, why did you do this to me only? I will tell you an old story. Maybe someone has heard it, and if you understand this story, then maybe all your complaints will end. Once upon a time, there was a bird who worked hard every day to bring grains back to her nest for her babies. But every time she returned, a big storm would come and destroy her nest. So she had to make a new nest there again and again. When this thing started happening again and again, one day she got upset and went to the temple of God, where she asked God that, God, why are you doing this to me again and again? Then God replied, and then in a quiet moment she heard an answer. God told her that there was a dangerous snake in the tree where she built her nest. This snake was waiting for her and her babies to come back so it could eat them. And to save you from this, I send storm again and again, and your nest falls and breaks. So understand that whenever you feel that something is going wrong with you in life, but behind this there can be some other plan of God where He is helping you. When things go wrong, remember that there may be a hidden reason or a greater plan to protect you. Number 5. Keep moving forward. Life can be very challenging and it is not always easy to stay positive when facing difficulties. However, it is very important to never give up on your passion, no matter what kind of social discrimination or hardships you face. Stick to your goals and continue doing what you love. Always believe in yourself because this belief is what will help you move forward. One day, all your efforts will pay off and you will reach your dreams. So, keep moving forward, be determined, and remember that success is within your reach if you stay true to yourself and your passion. At last, I would say face the challenges, be strong, and believe in yourself. Keep chasing your dreams with determination. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow, taking you closer to success. Trust in your journey. Always remember you have the strength to conquer any obstacle. I hope you like this video. See you again soon. Keep smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every moment. Your journey to greatness begins now. Thank you.